Introducing the Harrington 50767-step ASSY HOIST tester, a genuine Harrington replacement part designed to ensure the smooth operation and safety of your hoisting equipment. With its rigorous quality control measures, this step ASSY HOIST tester guarantees exceptional performance and durability. By using genuine Harrington replacement parts, you can rest assured that your hoisting equipment operates at the highest safety standards, minimizing the risk of accidents or malfunctions. Engineered to meet the specific requirements of Harrington hoisting systems, this step ASSY HOIST tester delivers optimal performance, ensuring efficient and reliable operation. Trust in the Harrington 50767-step ASSY HOIST tester to maintain the safety and efficiency of your hoisting equipment. Upgrade your hoisting systems with this reliable and cost-effective solution from Harrington.